Good morning, children. Let us solve problems from your exercise 4.5. Okay, so I have a question here which says that if a is equal to 3, 1 minus 1, 2, then show that a square minus 5a plus 7i is equal to 0. Hence, find a inverse. Okay, they are saying hence find a inverse. So let's do it. Okay, so you want a square, so let's find a square. Now many of our children have a bad habit of just squaring the matrix. Children, a square doesn't mean square of the matrix. A square means a into a. This is a into a. Now do it. How much it is? 3 3s are, you know how to do it. Now 3 3s are 9 minus 1. 9 minus 1 minus 3 minus 2. 3 1s are 3 plus 2 minus 1 plus 4. Is it okay? Yes. So you have now a square, that is a into a. Now let us put in this equation. A square minus 5a plus 7i. We have to prove that this is 0. So let's put a square minus 5a. 5a means you have to multiply this by 5. So it is 15, 5 minus 5 and 10. Plus 7i means, children, it is 7 times your identity matrix. You have to prove this is 0, 0. 8 minus 15 minus 7. Minus 10 plus 7, 0. 5 minus 5, 0 plus 0, 0. Minus 5 plus 5, 0. 3 minus 10 minus 7 plus 7, 0. So I have proved that this is nothing but 0, 0. So the first part of the question to show that this 0 is true, that means 0 matrix. Now you have to use this and hence find a inverse. Hence find a inverse means what? From this equation you have to deduce and find the value of this. Okay, so let me write the equation. It is a square minus 5a plus 7. Children, when always it is said that hence find a inverse, that means you have to make use of this equation. You are not going to use elementary transformation or adjoint method. Okay, so now from here I can write here minus a square plus 5a is equal to 7i. What am I doing? I am bringing this term to my RHS. That means 7i is equal to 5a minus a square. You understand? I have just rearranged. Okay, I have taken this side. Now what you do? Multiply by a inverse. Because a inverse it is existing, it is saying. So we can confidently multiply by a inverse. That means I am post multiplying, means I am multiplying right multiplication of a inverse, but I into a inverse is nothing but a inverse. A inverse is I, and this, okay, by law of indices it will be 1. So now a inverse is going to be 1 by 7 times 5i minus a. Okay, so just have to put in the value here. So it is 5005, right, minus your a. What is your a, children? 3 1 minus 1 2, right? So I'll write here 3 1 minus 1 2. So simplification of this will give you the value of a inverse. So this is 5 minus 3, 2, 0 minus 1, 0 minus 1, 5 minus 2, 3. So this is my value of a inverse. You understood? Just I have done post multiplication of a inverse, right? And I could do it because a inverse was existing. So I have got this answer. Okay, if you want you can take it inside. Now the next problem. If A is equal to a 3 cross 3 matrix, same way you have to verify this condition is true, and from that you have to deduce A inverse. Okay, so let's do it, children. So let's write here A cube. But you know that, children, A cube means A square into A. So first I have to find A square. So I'm going to find A square. So I'll write here 2 minus 1 1 minus 1 2 minus 1 1 minus 1 2 A square. So 2 minus 1 1 minus 1 2 minus 1 1 minus 1 2. So a square will be over. Okay, so let's do here. Okay, do it orally. Okay, it will be easy. 2 2s are 4, 4 plus 1 5, 5 plus 1 6. Again you want to check, you check. 2 2s are 4 plus 1 5 plus 1 6. Now this is minus 2 is minus 4, minus 4 minus 1 is minus 5. 1 into 2, 2. 2 plus 1, 3. 3 plus 2, 5. Sorry. Excuse me. Now here I have minus 2, minus 2, minus 4, minus 1. Plus 1, plus 4, plus 1. 1, plus 4. 5 plus 1, 6. What about here? It is minus 1, minus 2 is minus 3, and this is minus 5. Minus 1, minus 2, and again, look here. This is 1 minus 1. Okay. This is minus 2, and this is minus 2. Okay, now here. 2 plus 1, 3 plus 2, 5. Now here, minus 1, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 2, minus 5. 1 plus 1, 2. Okay, 1 plus 1, 2 plus 4. 2 plus 4 is 6. Okay, so this is your a square. Now you have to find a cube. What do you mean by a cube? A cube means a into a. Copy this. I have just copied this, okay? Into a. What is our a, children? 2 minus 1, 1. Minus 1, 2, minus 1. 1 minus 1, 2. A square into a. Now let's do it. Okay. 2 6 are 12. 12 plus 5, 17. 17 plus 5, 22. Minus 10, minus 6. How much? Minus 10, minus 6 is minus 16. Minus 16, minus 5, minus 21. 5 2s are 10. 10 plus 5, 15. 15 plus 6, 21. Again here. This is minus 6, minus 10, minus 16. Minus 16, minus 5, minus 21. Plus 5, plus 12, plus 17. 17 plus 5, 22. 5 minus 5, minus 10, minus 15, minus 6. 6 ones are 6 plus 5, 11 plus 10, 21. Minus 5, minus 6, minus 11, minus 10. 5, okay, 5 plus 5, 10. 10 plus 12, 22. Okay, now you have to prove now a cube minus a square plus 9a minus 4i. You are going to substitute and check whether it is 0. Okay, what is my a cube? I have just found now. 22 minus 21, 21. Minus 21, 22 minus 21. 21 minus 21 and 22. Plus a square, sorry, minus a square. Minus a square is what? This one. 6 minus 5, 5. Minus 5, 6. Minus 5. 5 minus 5 and 6. Then it is plus 9a. 9a means what? 9a. 9 times of your original matrix. So how much it will be? This is your a, no? You can look here. 18, 9, 9. Minus 9, 18. Minus 9. 9 minus 9, 80. Okay. Minus 4i. Minus 4i means what? 4 0 0 0 4 0 0 0 4. Now what many children do is they simply write the answer here 0 0 0. Is it allowed, children? No. Don't think that teacher will not check the answer. You have to prove that the answer is 0. Okay. Otherwise what will happen? Otherwise your answer will be considered as wrong. Okay. So let's check. 22 minus, I have to prove it to be 0, right? Children, it was 6a square, right? It was 6a square, but I have written here 6. Okay, so I have to multiply by 6 here. So 36, 6 it will become 30, no? It will become 30, it will become 30, it will become 36, it will become 30, it will become 30. You understood what mistake I made? I did not write there I didn't write here 6. It is 6. Okay. Now let us check. It is minus 14 plus 14. This is plus 9 minus 9. Okay. This is minus 9 plus 9. This is minus 9. Sorry, this is minus 21 plus 30 is 9 minus 9. This is 22 minus 36 minus 14. 18 minus 4 is 14. So 0. So 21 minus 21 minus 36 is minus 21 plus 36 is 30. It is 30 minus 21 plus 30 is 9. 9 minus 9 0. 22 minus 36 minus 14. Minus 14 plus 14 0. Minus 21 plus 30 is 9. 9 minus 9 is 0. 21 minus 9 30 minus 9 plus 9 is 0. Understood, children? Don't directly write the answer as 0 0. You have to make necessary changes. You have to check the question as I had made a mistake. You have to check necessary changes. You have to make. Then you have to literally prove it. It is 0 0 0. Okay. Now one more problem. Let's do, children. Let's solve one more problem. So we'll finish with the exercise. The problem is third one. Let A is equal to 3, 2, 7, 5. Let B is equal to 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay. You have to verify A, B inverse is equal to B inverse, A inverse. If you remember, this we have done in one of the property, right? We have done it in one of the property, and I told you that proof I will be doing while solving the problem. So here is a chance to verify this property. AB inverse is B inverse, A inverse. Okay. So now I have A, children. Let me find A inverse. So A inverse is 1 upon determinant of A into adjoint of A. Yes. So let's write. So determinant of A means 15 minus 14. 15 minus 14 is 1. So it is 1 by 1. 1 upon determinant of A. Now adjoint of A, children, let us do it orally because we have done so many problems. Okay. So only thing is we have to remember the position. This is A11. A12 position is negative. A21 position is negative. A22 is positive. So delete the first row, first column. First row, first column. So how much it is? 5. First row, second column. First row, second column. So answer is 2, but I will write here 2. Okay, because we have to take the transpose of that matrix. The next one is second row, next one is second row, first column. So it is minus 7. Next one is second row, second column. So answer is 3. So A inverse is okay. And let's find same way B inverse. B inverse is what? 1 upon determinant of A into adjoint of B. So it is 1 upon 54 minus 56 is minus 2. Adjoint of B again. This position is negative. This position is negative. First row, first column. Yes. Yes, no? First row, first column. First row, second column. You will write here. Second row, first column. Second row, first column. Second row, second column. Is that clear? Now we have to find what is B inverse, A inverse, for right side. So let me, this into this will be minus half. Now this will be, you have to write B inverse first, okay? Because matrix multiplication is not commutative, so you have to write the order in which it is given. What is our A inverse? 5 minus 2 minus 7 and 3. Let's multiply it, okay? Minus 2. Let's do it orally. 45 plus 16. 45 plus 16, 61. Minus 35 minus 12, minus 47. Okay. Then I have, what is this? Minus 63 minus 24. Minus 63 minus 24 is minus 87. Yeah. Then my plus 49, minus 49, this is minus, no? So plus 49 plus 18. 49 plus 18. It is 67. Yes, 49 plus 18. Yeah. What about this? What about this? What which it was? Minus 63 minus 24. 87. Correct. Okay. So this is my B inverse, A inverse. Now I have to find what is AB inverse. Okay. AB inverse I have to find. But before that I should know what is A into B. So let me compute A into B. My A is 3725 and my B is 6789. So let's multiply this. Okay. So let us find AB first. So 3 6 are 18 plus 49. 18 plus 49, 67. 12 plus 35, 47. 24 plus 63, 87. 16 plus 45, 16 plus 45, 16 plus 45, 61. Yeah. Now we have to find what is AB. It's inverse. It is nothing but 1 upon determinant of AB into adjoint of AB. Yes. So we have to take the determinant of this. So you have to multiply this. No? So I am doing it 67 into 61. 7, 6, 0, 2. It will be 40. So it is 4087. Next one is 87 into 47. 7 7s are 49. 56 plus 60, 0. It's 28 and it is 34. So it is 9, 8, 10. 4089. 4087 minus 4089 is minus 2. Now adjoint of AB. Position negative, position negative. First row, first column. First row, second column. Second row, first column. Second row, second column. This is my AB inverse. And you can see, children, this is my B inverse, A inverse also. Yes or no? My B inverse, A inverse is minus half, 61, minus 47, minus 87, 61. Sorry, 67, 61, minus 4, minus 10, 61. So, I have got my property that B inverse, A inverse is nothing but AB inverse. So, you can get a 3 to 4 mark question for this kind of problems. Thank you, children. That's all for today.